All right, CAD team, Aspen Racket Club, revisions, October 12th. So here's our map, right? Here's our site plan, our map of goodies about to happen and need lots of red lines and revisions. We have our affordable housing here and our free market here. We need to turn these free markets into duplexes and triplexes, 2 tiers and 3 tiers. This side, they want 2 tiers. This side, they want 3 tiers or 3 stories. So the views this way up to Smuggler Mountain are unhindered or have better depth, better contrast. We have 2 covered courts. We need to do mock-ups. We have a clubhouse here. We need to do a mock-up, and that'll basically feed those covered courts in the wintertime and act as act as an entrance and a place to go get warm and then go into the covered courts. So we want this to be basically one big building, but 2 covered courts, and then of course the clubhouse, and then a wrap deck on 3 sides. This will be the parking lot still existing. We'll put the historic shanty right here. We'll do our existing courts here, and like I said, 2 stories here and then 3 stories in the back. The affordable housing will be basically 4 different units, 4 different buildings, and then this will be 2 and triplexes and duplexes for the affordable or for the free market. So again, we'll have our free market here, our affordable here, this 2-story historic shanty we'll put over here, and then we'll have our 2 covered courts here and our clubhouse there. So please, if you could work on the site plan, a revised site plan that adds a little more depth and contrast, so it's not just so boxed out like this one here. We'll put a little more time into it. We need mock-up elevations. I really like where you've been going with it, but like I said, we need to do the 2-story here and then the 3-story, tier it up to the 3-story so they have those views and it adds a little depth and doesn't look so boxy. Okay, so affordable housing units, 4 buildings, tiered up, 2-tier and 3-tier. The townhomes, 16 of them in duplexes and triplexes. We'll tier those up, 2-story on this side and 3-story on that side, duplex, triplex. The covered courts, we have 2 of those, please. The historic shanty, we'll put over in that corner by where this easement is, which is no longer an easement. This has been brought into the fold here, so this is now a part of that plot. And then of course the clubhouse, 3,000 square feet with the deck wrapped around. So if you could work on that, please, this week, I appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next one.